Oh, hey. Look what it is. I think we're live. Are we on?
Yeah.
Are we doing something today?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
A video.
We're doing a video. On what? I don't remember. Can you tell me?
On this.
This. So we got a little Lego set here from the Ninjago movie. Have you seen the Ninjago movie? How many times have you seen the Ninjago movie? Twice? 2 thumbs up from you. Okay, so everybody go out and see the Ninjago movie. Apparently it's really good. Have I seen it?
Nope.
Maybe I've seen bits and pieces of it. I'm not sure. Anyway, go
You've
see
only
it.
seen this.
If you like Lego movies, watch the Ninjago movie. It's hilarious.
It's hilarious.
It's hilarious.
And awesome. And Garmadon's dad is mean.
I thought Garmadon was the dad.
He is, but he's mean.
Does he have a dad too?
No.
You have a dad.
Yeah, he's
It's
right
mean.
here.
Ow. Alright, so here's what is this? We got 109 pieces.
109
Ages 6 to
pieces.
14. How old are you?
I'm 9.
Okay, we're clear. How old am I? Uh-oh, I'm too old to play. You know what? But Lego always says from ages 9 to 99, right?
Yeah.
Or whatever.
But this one
0
says
to 99.
14.
6 to 14. So if you're at least 6 to 14, or really smart, if you're really smart 4 or 5-year-old, you might be able to figure this out.
Yeah.
There's 109 pieces. It's Spinjitzu Training. Sweet.
I
So
have
let's see,
2.
who's the white ninja guy?
Zane.
So Zane is the spinning ninjutsu guy. Who's the red guy?
Kai.
Kai. How do you spell Kai? We don't know. K-I-A?
Yeah, that's right.
So anyway,
That's actually how you spell it.
oh, cool. Yay. So today we're going to be unboxing the Lego Ninjago Movie Spinjitzu Training set. We're going to put it together. He's going to help me. He's really good at putting the minifigs together. And we'll see what goes on. Zane and Kai together. And there's even little, like, on the back of the box you can see
And the front.
the little training, like, things that they hit and practice on. And there's a little dojo situation going on. So yeah, we're going to do this today, and we're going to unbox. And that's what's going to happen.
And we're going to unbox another one.
Well, that'll be in a different video.
Ah!
Alright, you ready to build this thing?
Yeah.
We're going to unbox this thing. You guys ready to see this? So we talked about it a little bit already. And he's got his existing Lego Ninjago guys. What's the green guy?
The Green Ninja.
What's his name? Does he have a name?
Lloyd.
Lloyd?
Cole.
And Cole. Alright.
And
who's in
Zane
here?
and Kai.
Zane and Kai. We're going to unbox Zane and Kai.
And
There
the
it is one more
dojo.
time.
And the dojo.
Yep, it's a little dojo thing. So, I'm assuming a lot of people have played with Legos before. It gives you a little like, hey, rip here. So let's see if we can do that. So it's pretty simple. It opens up. You get, you dump it out.
Oh, there's Kai's body.
Here's the instructions. Every Lego set comes with instructions, just like that. If you're a master builder, you don't need instructions, right? Are we master builders?
Nope.
Not yet. Okay, man. So we got it. We got the thing open. We got the box open. We got everything dumped out.
Set up.
And we got everything set up. So we don't need those. It does come with instructions, like every Lego set, of course. But we've got everything set up here, so we're just gonna build pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Do we want to talk about it a little bit more? We did already a little bit. So once again, this is Lego Ninjago Movie.
It has 109 pieces.
109 piees, ages 6 to 14.
Spinjitzu Training.
Spinjitzu Training. That says that kind of weird, huh?
Spinjitzu.
All right. You ready to go?
Yes.
Let's start with who's the red guy?
Kai and Zane.
And Zane. All right. So we're gonna build the dudes. Gotta put the body onto the legs. Oh man, he comes with a cool little. He's got a little shoulder pad attached to his sword hilt thing.
That's cool.
Oh, I gotta put his. Oh, wow. No, you told me to put this on first, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So they each come with this little weird guy that's like their scarf thing, part of their ninja outfit. Do I want him happy and nervous, or do I want him like grrr?
I would prefer happiness.
Happiness. Okay, we're gonna put a happy face on.
Because they're happy training.
They're happy in training, and then he gets his little bandana thing on. Right? And then his swords. Oh man, you're already done. Look at you. So that's Zane, right?
Yes, that
Okay.
is Zane.
Zane.
Add to my collection.
And
Oh yeah, I forgot these two guys.
so Zane and Kai. And who are these two guys?
Lloyd, Cole.
And Cole, the green and brown ninjas.
Yes. And now
So-
white and red.
Now we got white and red. Okay, you want him over here or over here? Over there. Okay, they'll come back later.
Yeah. they'll
So
come
now
back
what we're
later.
gonna do is we're gonna build the. I'll show the end game here. We're gonna build it, or he's gonna build some stuff, and I'm gonna build that. So.
Do I
let's see
do
if we
this
can-
or something? Oh.
Uh-oh. He dropped something. Red alert! Red alert!
What do I do now? I forgot. Do I do this?
Do you need the instructions?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Here you go. You consult the instructions while I build this thing. Boom.
I'm stealing the instructions.
So basically, this little guy is like a little, it's kind of a testing dummy. Not a test dummy, but like a fighting dummy. And then, so they can kick it, they can punch it, all this kind of stuff. And it comes with this cool little head.
Oh.
And a helmet. It's like a little, what is that, a samurai helmet? It's pretty cool.
On my game, there's
Wow.
a game of it too.
Oh yeah. Lego Ninjago is everywhere.
Yeah.
So they've got a movie, they've got
A
the
game.
game, which you've beaten already, right?
Yeah.
And how
Really?
many times have you seen the movie?
2 times.
2 times? Oh man. Have I seen it? I don't think I've seen the movie.
You've
Maybe
only
part.
seen the pieces.
Oh, I've seen the show though. You watch the show all the time, so I've seen some of the show.
Oh yeah, we went to the Oregon coast.
Yeah, we went to the Oregon coast, and that's all you did was watch that, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let me see if I made this right. Real
You did.
quick. Cool.
Oh yeah, you did.
Sweet. All right, do you need that still? Or you good to go?
Here's this.
So what he just built is like the little practice tree where they kind of use to like practice their blocks and
Spinjitzu.
all this. And Spinjitzu. Boom. Does it spin? I bet it spins, huh? And here's our little like fighting dummy thing with the complete with a samurai head / ninja head thing. So there's that. Let's put this over here so that I can look at that. And then now I'm gonna build their, what is it, the little armory thing? I think.
I bet you're gonna get done before me.
Okay. Yeah.
Cause I have one more things than him.
Okay. And then this goes in the front like that.
Lots more things than him.
These little small pieces, you gotta be careful you don't lose them because you're gonna need them later. Oh yeah, so this holds a little sword. Like the swords that they're not using at the moment, right?
Yep. Okay, got that done.
Cool. What is that? The thing?
The thing.
We'll just call it the thing. This spins, did you know that?
Nope. Yeah, I knew
Alright.
that.
So that's their little armory, or their little sword stash area. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's
Push them
epic.
too far in there. Let's go
I like
like
to
that.
say epic a lot.
Yeah, you do. Oh, now they're upside down. There we go. Now what are you working on?
That one for me. That.
Sweet. Do we need these still? I think you're doing pretty good. He's doing pretty good. Like, he doesn't need the instructions because he's a master builder. Just like the Lego movie, right?
Everyone's a master builder
At some point
in the movie.
in the movie.
Yeah, in
Isn't
the
it
movie.
just Emmett? Oh, he's pulling out the instructions, guys. Let's see what he's doing. So how often do you watch Lego Ninjago?
A lot.
A lot. Like once a day, twice a day?
Every day.
Every day. He watches Lego Ninjago every day. Do you guys watch this show? And if you do, go ahead and comment below. Tell us your favorite character. Who's your favorite character?
Kai or Zane? Zane.
You like Zane? There's something about Zane.
Oh yeah, Zane is a robot.
Zane is a robot? What? Do they know that? Do the rest of the guys know that?
Yes.
They do. Okay, so everybody knows that Zane is a robot. And what's special about Lloyd?
Lloyd is the green ninja. She's the son of Garmadon.
Who's Garmadon?
Garmadon is a bad boy.
The bad guy? The main bad guy? Oh man, they got some like Luke Skywalker, Vader stuff going on. Weird. Oh man, look at that. He's done with this already. So this is like the main little dojo part. It comes with like the little signage so that they know which dojo they belong to. Master Wu, right? Is
Master Wu.
Master Wu is the old guy. Also, just to make sure you guys are aware, Lloyd and little brown ninja guy, what's his name, Cole?
Cole.
They do not come with this Spinjitzu Training set. So
Yes.
they came from some other ninjutsu or stuff that he has already. So he has a lot of Legos. I'm sure you guys too.
I have like 2 million, guys.
That's a lot. That's so many guys. They're all over his room. It's crazy. And I bet you guys have Legos all over your room too.
Probably.
Anyway, as I was saying, he said that Zane is his favorite ninja from Lego Ninjago. If you guys want to comment below, tell us who your favorite character is from the show, or what your favorite Lego franchise is. Do you guys like Lego Star Wars? Do you like Jurassic World? What else is there? There's basically a Lego thing for everything under the sun, isn't there? Pretty much. Which is pretty awesome because Legos are awesome, toys are awesome. Jurassic World and Star Wars is awesome. So, woo, and he's almost done with this thing. It also has like a little punching bag, which is what this little red guy is.
It's a light.
Is it a light?
Yes.
You know what? You're probably right. I bet you're right. It is a light. I thought it was a punching bag this whole time, and then I realized they're a little too short to be able to like, unless they can like jump up and kick it, right?
They
Boom,
can jump
boom.
and kick.
But they're ninjas, so they're pretty agile.
They can jump in air.
All right. So here's the
Double
finished
time.
thing. So we'll put it like this. Then we got the little fighting thing in here. And then their little armory. Boom.
Everything's
If it'll
finished,
stay up.
guys.
Awesome. So this is the Spinjitzu
Those
Training
are
set.
Fat.
109 pieces. This is 109 pieces, right?
And some extra pieces.
Lloyd and Zane don't want to, not Lloyd, but, and they also come with extra pieces. Almost
Yes,
every
sir.
Lego set that I've ever bought or played with comes with extra pieces just in case you lose something. And it's usually the smaller pieces. So, ooh, Batman, out of nowhere. That was the other one, the Lego Batman movie. One of my favorite ones. You got, I remember the part. What's your favorite part of the Lego Batman movie?
He sets it for 20 minutes and then he meant to put it for 2 minutes.
When Alfred left him some lobster bisque, which is his favorite, and he
Yeah.
goes to heat it up in the microwave, and he puts it in for 20 minutes instead of 2 minutes, and he's like, I meant to do 2 minutes, not 20 minutes. Oh, there goes Batman. Alright, so this is the Spinjitzu Training Lego Ninjago Movie set with a couple of other people in it. If you guys like this video, I know we didn't really kind of like showcase how to build it, but this is it. This is what it looks like. This is what it comes with. So if you guys have been eyeballing it in the store and you kind of convincing mom and dad to get it for you, that's what it looks
Like
like.
I did.
Show them what this is, and you can play with it. You can play with the two little ninja guys. Boom, 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 boom. All right, guys. So we just got done showing you the Spinjitzu Training set from Lego Ninjago Movie, right? It comes with 4 little pieces, 109 pieces altogether. That builds 4 different sets. There's the instructions, and I don't know what to do with the box. It's over there. But that's that. If you guys are trying to convince mom and dad to get you this little guy, then you can show them this and kind of show them what it does. It comes with 2 little minifigs, Kane and Kai and Zane, right? I said that backwards. And yeah. So what else are we going to do in this channel? Let's tell them what we're going to do. We're going to do some more Lego builds, and let's show them what the next thing is. Boom! We're going to be building this thing next. So if you guys want to learn how to build the Green Ninja Mech Dragon, which has 544 pieces, stay tuned for the next video. We're going to show you guys this thing. It's going to be awesome. It comes with 4 minifigs. You got Lloyd, the Green Ninja, Master Wu, Garmadon, and Charlie, random worker guy. So that's coming up in the next video. If you liked this video and you're looking forward to that one, go ahead and hit subscribe and like, and hit the little bell so that you can get notifications on when we post new videos.